The Larson Electronics Dimmable General Use High Bay LED light fixture is a 4-foot linear integrated LED light that provides 38,400 lumens of illumination. This dimmable light provides 160-degree wide flood beam spread. This general illumination LED light is ideal for use in places requiring high bay illumination such as warehouses, malls, parking garages, and other similar environments. Get yours today at Larson Electronics. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.